Welcome to Creston Grand Opening in Magnolia. If you are looking a house and want to move to Magnolia, this will be the wonderful place for you. So if you really like to know about this community and all the amenities and what kind of house they have, and a lot of builders here, is a very beautiful community and very nice area because it's by the Johnson Development. And if you wanted to know about this community, please give me a call. Upuli Williams 817-538-6987, and waiting to hear from you.